Hi friends, welcome to Mindful Cooking at Geetha's Kitchen. Today, let's see how to make use of the grape leaves from our backyard. If you don't have grape leaves at home, you can always buy grape leaves or make use of any other greens instead of grape leaves. Don't get too excited by looking at the grapes. We have few friends in the backyard, those who love to steal these fruits and vegetables from us. I didn't even know we could eat grape leaves until I visited one of my friends, Shene. She's from Turkey and she made me delicious dolmas, which are stuffed grape leaves. I then started reading the numerous health benefits of grape leaves and began including grape leaves in my dishes at home. First, let's see how to make stuffed grape leaves. For stuffing, I'm using the cooked rice. I have 2 cups of leftover rice. Heat 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1 tablespoon chopped onion. I used dry onion. Add the chopped parsley and mint leaves. Add 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 tablespoon pepper powder. Half teaspoon dill weed. Half teaspoon salt. Add rice and mix it. Add 2 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix well. The stuffing came out really good and you can just have it like that even if you don't have grape leaves to wrap it in. You can use taro root leaves also to stuff this in if you don't have grape leaves. Let's blanch all the grape leaves, boil the water and put the leaves in and drain it after half a minute. I put a little bit of salt also in the water. Put this stuffing inside the grape leaves and roll it tightly. You can see how my husband is stuffing the grape leaves and rolling it tightly. Now we need to cook this in water. So I just lay out a few grape leaves in a pan and put the roll on top of the grape leaves. Cover it, then put a weight on top of the cover so it won't move. Then add some water and little olive oil and cook for 20 to 30 minutes. I decided to air fry some, so I just brushed the rolls with oil and air fried it for 4 minutes at 325 degree Fahrenheit. It came out nicely, but I like the steamed ones better. Serve the rolls at room temperature or chilled. Drizzle some olive oil. Serve with hummus and lemon wedges. It's very easy to make green juice. With normal green juice, whatever greens you want to add with mint, apple or watermelon or whatever fruit you have, and 1 or 2 grape leaves, ice cubes, honey and lemon juice. Just grind it and have it. It's so refreshing and very nutritious. I tried to make Pulinkari with dal and grape leaves. So I picked the young ones, washed it, dried it, removed the stem from the middle, chop it, and mix with quarter cup cooked dal and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Cook it for about 8 minutes. You can add any other vegetables. If you have any other vegetables you can add, or I made it just with leaves also. In this video I added the beet leaf stem. Add all the spices and tamarind. Reduce the quantity of normal quantity of tamarind because the grape leaves itself has a tangy taste. Mix it well. I forgot to mention to add a piece of jaggery to balance the taste. Season it with coconut oil, fenugreeks, mustard seeds, red chilies, and curry leaves. The spices that we added are fenugreek powder, asafoetida, chili powder, turmeric powder, and salt. I tried the same curry, the Pulinkari, with jackfruit seeds. Instead of dal, I added the cooked jackfruit seed. So the same procedure, I cooked the jackfruit seeds, added the grape leaves, added all the spices. We are adding fenugreek powder, asafoetida, salt, and red chili powder. All those spices, let it boil. Then season it with fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds, curry leaves, and red chilies. This curry was very delicious. Please try. Thank you for watching. Please leave comments. Please like and subscribe to Geetha's Kitchen. Thank you.